नमस्कार दोस्तों. Am I trying to control you? Are you trying to control me? Is somebody trying to control you? Is he trying to control him? Is she trying to control her? Are they trying to control them? Ladies and gentlemen, if you look around, you'll see there's a lot of control which is going out of control because there are people trying to control which is not in their control. Does it sound okay, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, that's what is happening around. Everybody is busy in trying to control what is not in their control. And that is why there is a frustration. That is why there is a resentment. That is why there is a problem into the relations. That is why there are problems in the office. That is why there are problems in the society, okay? Because we're trying to control things, okay? We're not trying to understand things. We don't have time to figure out and decipher what is what. We have our own definition, we have our own assumption, which is so strongly engraved into us that we just want to control. We are being controlled. Historically, we have been controlled. And we want to control. A child who has grown up under the controlled environment, ladies and gentlemen, that child is going to control things as he grow up. And the seed for this control and this need and desire to control is sowed right in the childhood, ladies and gentlemen. But that doesn't mean that we cannot understand it. We can understand it, okay? We can meditate on our own thoughts and action. We can reflect. We can rethink our thinking. And we can figure out that why am I trying to control what I need not be controlling? What is in your control, ladies and gentlemen, is what is happening inside you. And unfortunately, what can be in your control, we are not trying to figure out how to control that, okay? And that is why that also is not in our control. So forget about what is outside is not in your control, but what is inside is also not in your control because you are not aware that there is a need to look in and try to control. You know, it's said in Buddhism that look, your mind is like an elephant and you got to control the elephant, you got to train the elephant, otherwise the elephant is going to be destructive, okay? So is the elephant, which is my own elephant, is that elephant in control? Is my mind in my control? Which itself is a difficult job, okay? Forget about controlling somebody else's thought, trying to, figure out how to handle the thoughts or behaviors of other people. Okay, that's a separate story. But how about looking inside and trying to figure out that how do I control what's happening inside me? I can't change somebody else's behavior, but I can always change my behavior. I remember reading it that look, you can't change the direction of the wind, but you can always adjust the sail. Ladies and gentlemen, you can always adjust the sail. You cannot change the climate outside, but you can always decide what is that which you want to wear. So there are a lot of stuff in our life, ladies and gentlemen, which we cannot change. While we can change a response to it, we can change a relationship with that. We can change how do we connect with that. We can change how do we think. And we can control, ladies and gentlemen, by relinquishing the control. It sounds, I know, paradoxical. It sounds like an oxymoron. But the fact is that, look, we can control by letting the control go, relinquishing the control. That's where the challenge is. A good leader would control by relinquishing the control. Good parents would control by relinquishing the control. Think about it. If you really want to control, first of all, try to control what is in your control, which is what is happening within you, what is happening within your mind, even what is happening in your body to an extent only is in your control. But try to have a handle on that instead of trying to have a handle on something which is not in your control. We always say that the enemy lies outside. No, ladies and gentlemen, the enemy doesn't lie outside, the enemy lies inside. बुरा जो देखन में गया बुरा ना मिलिया कोई और जो दिल देखा आपनो मुझसे बुरा ना कोई. So it's inside, ladies and gentlemen. You got to look inside and peacefully think about it. That look, what's not happening right in your life and what's not happening right in your relationship. It's all not happening because are you trying to control somebody else's behavior? Are you trying to control somebody else's thinking? Are you trying to control somebody else's emotions? Are you trying to be rational to the irrationality of yours? Or are you trying to be irrational to the rationality of others? Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. बदलो वो जो बदलने की ज़रूरत है, और वो बदलो जिसको कि आप बदल सकते हो. अगर उसको बदलने का प्रयास करते रहे जो कि आपकी शक्ति और क्षमता दोनों के अंदर नहीं है, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन ही होने वाला है. तो बदलिए उसको जिसको बदलने की ज़रूरत है. कंट्रोल करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. कंट्रोल करके चीज़ें बिगड़ती हैं, समझ के चीज़ें बनती हैं. टू लव इज़ मोर चैलेंजिंग देन टू कंट्रोल. Control comes very automatic to us because that's the way we are being programmed, that's the way we are being designed. But we need to understand design, ladies and gentlemen, and we need to figure out that how do we make this design more beautiful, more wonderful, more workable, and making this whole world more beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Think about it. This lockdown is not in your control, but what you do with this lockdown is in your control. Sunday is not in your control, but what you do with Sunday is in your control, ladies and gentlemen. Think about it. Are you making commitment to yourself and breaking those commitments casually, just like that? अरे खुद से वादा करना तो निभाओ, और खुद से जो वादा किया उसको तो निभाओ दोस्तों. छोटे छोटे वादे हम रोज़मर्रा में अपने आप से करते हैं और उन वादों को ऐसे उड़ा देते हैं. कंट्रोल में है. कल सोचा था सुबह उठ के वॉक करूँगा, कल सोचा था सुबह उठ के वर्कआउट करूँगा, परसों से करूँगा, उड़ा दिया. अरे खुद के कमिटमेंट की इज्जत करो दोस्तों. अगर खुद के कमिटमेंट की इज्जत नहीं करोगे ना, तो दूसरे आपकी कमिटमेंट की इज्जत नहीं करेंगे. बिकॉज द वे यू डील विद योरसेल्फ इज द वे यू डील विद अदर्स. थिंक अबाउट इट, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एंड हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय. जय हो.